Hello, my name is Linda. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm making an easy sweet potato pie. You're going to need pie crust, canned sweet potato puree, evaporated milk, vanilla, sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and eggs. On to the recipe. Preheat oven to 350. Now you will have to prep your pie crust. You're going to Parbake it, which means you're going to cook it in an oven for 5 minutes at 350. But before you put it in, you got to poke holes in it. That way it don't bubble up, because it'll expand and you won't have an even crust. Even get the sides a little bit. It's easy to do. Just make sure you have some. Or you can actually use weights in it. Get you some navy beans and put it down in the pie crust to weight it down. That way it won't bubble up either. Next, we'll bake it for 5 minutes at 350. Now I'm going to beat the eggs. You could either use a boat motor, which I do have, but some people don't have that. You could either use a fork the old-fashioned way, or if you got a hand mixer, just put one paddle on and use that. Might help if it's plugged in. It works a little bit better when it's plugged in, just a little bit. There we go, got it done. We are going to add all the ingredients together now. I got my trusty spatula to get all the pie filling, which is the sweet potatoes. I call it pie filling, but it's sweet potato puree. Out of here. Milk. Eggs. Sugar. Spices. And of course, I can't forget my vanilla. I add a teaspoon of it. And I use my hand mixer and mix everything up. There we go. You want to make sure everything gets mixed up. I'll be back when this is done. This is what it looks like when it's mixed up. Now I gotta wait for my pie crust to cool a little bit before I put it in. Now I'll pour some of the pie filling in, then I'll finish pouring it once I have it in the oven. Hopefully it won't make a mess. Still got a little bit left over. Now I'm going to transfer it to the oven and finish pouring it. I finished pouring it, now I'll bake it. Bake at 425 for 15 minutes, and we're going to lower it to 350. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. I checked it with a knife. I stuck it in there. It came out clean. Do not put it directly in the center because it still cooks after you take it out. So I do it a little bit off to the side. Now we'll let it cool. This is what the sweet potato pie looks like when it's done. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.